Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we're going to be playing with 20 surprise eggs. Here we have egg number 1. Give it a shake, something's inside. It's Pete from Disney.
Well, hi there, folks. Mighty fine day, ain't it?
Let's see what's inside egg number 2. It's young Judy Hopps from Zootopia. Well, hi everyone. I'm here on official police business. Let's see what's behind egg number 3. It's Spike from My Little Pony.
Hi everybody! Remember, friendship is magic.
What's behind egg number 4? It's Lizzie Lace-Up, the Shopkin. Well, howdy there. I am a boot that was made for walking. Woo! Woo! There I go. What's behind egg number 5? Give it a shake. It's Peppa Pig.
Hello, it's very nice to meet you all.
Let's see what's inside egg number 6. It's Hello Kitty.
Hello everyone! You look wonderful today!
Let's see what's inside egg number 7. It's SpongeBob!
Hi there! Wow, another glorious day under the sea. Let's go to the Krusty Krab.
Who do you think is inside egg number 8? It's Applejack from My Little Pony.
This way to the sweet apple orchard.
Now, what do you think is inside number 9? It's Hans from Frozen.
May I have this dance, Princess Anna?
What comes next? It's egg number 10. It's Rarity from My Little Pony. Hello there! All of you fashionistas look wonderful! Now, what's inside egg 11?
Oh, hello everyone! This way to the Everfree Forest.
Now let's see what's inside egg number 12. It's Fifi from Hello Kitty.
Hello everyone!
What comes after 13? It's egg number 14. Let's see what's inside. It's Bumblesweet from My Little Pony. Hi everybody, it's time to play! What's inside egg number 15? Wow, it's a toy car! Vroom! Vroom! Whoosh! Vroom! Meow! What's inside egg number 16? It's Tippy from Hello Kitty.
Come on everyone, let's go play!
What's inside egg number 17? It's a yo-yo. Here's the string, and here's SpongeBob SquarePants. Now it's time to see what's inside egg number 18. It's Mickey Mouse.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Magic Kingdom.
And what's inside egg number 19? It's Bellwether from Zootopia.
Oh, hello. Excuse me. I hope you don't mind, but I have a very busy schedule.
And finally, what's inside egg number 20? It's Stuart from Minions.
Yabba-dee-ba-doo, yabba-dabba, wee-da-dee-doo, yabba-dabba.
Hello, kitty. What have you got there? What's that? It's my lovely pink watering can. Come on, let's go water the flowers. I like roses. I like sunflowers. If we water the plants, they'll grow strong. Let's go.
La 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 la. Hi, Rarity. Hi, Applejack. How are you today?
Oh, I'm just fine, but I've got to collect a lot of apples in the orchard.
Why don't we help? Yeah, with the 3 of us, you'll get it done in half the time. Aw, swell, that's what friends are for. Come on, I'll show you where it is. Well, hi, Judy Hops. Now, Miss Lizzie Lace-Up, you have to be careful when crossing the road.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Judy's right. You really need to be careful. Thank you, Bellwether. How are you today? Oh, fine. I must get back to the office. Lots of filing to do. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.
Hello there, Mr. SpongeBob.
Hey, hello there, Peppa.
What's it like living under the sea?
Well, there's lots of fish and lots of water. Whoa! I got too excited.
Let me help you up.
Why, thank you.
Come along this way.
I hope you've had fun discovering what's inside our 20 Play-Doh eggs.
Today I am going to show you how to make some really awesome Angry Birds Play-Doh. Doesn't this look great? So for this you're going to need yellow Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh and red Play-Doh. So let's start with the red Play-Doh. We want to break off some and we're going to take the main part and roll it into a ball. Next we want to take some of our white Play-Doh and press it flat. This is going to be Red's tummy, so let's put it on the front of our red ball. Now we're taking some of our yellow Play-Doh to make Red's beak. It looks kind of like a pyramid, doesn't it? Stick it on the front, like so. And already, Red is starting to take shape. Now, of course, we need to do his eyes. Use white Play-Doh to make them, roll them into a ball and stick them above his beak. Isn't he looking great? Now we're going to do the center of the eyes with black. Looking good! Finally, Red isn't red without his angry eyebrows. So let's put them on. Now all we need to do is to make the feather on top. Use your excess red Play-Doh to do this. Now we're going to make Chuck. We need to make him out of yellow, of course. We want to make a sort of pyramid shape, but we want it to be soft around the edges. Next, we're going to take some of our white Play-Doh and flatten it. Add it on his tummy. Now we need to take some more white Play-Doh to make his eyes. He's already looking good. Add some black for detail. We want to make a beak for Chuck as well. Add it on. And now we're going to make red eyebrows. Isn't he looking good? Finally, we want to take some of our black Play-Doh. We need to add his feather on top. Like so. And he's done! Don't they look great? Red and Chuck. Absolutely awesome Angry Birds Play-Doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!